Good morning, everyone, and welcome to the Lost River News.
Today for lunch we have cheeseburger
or a regular burger,
fries,
broccoli,
birthday cake. Happy
birthday, Kenny!
Now for some exciting news.
The Coca-Cola fundraiser is still going on. All forms are due to school on Friday. Our goal is to just sell one case per student. Come on, everybody. Let's get it going and let's make sure that we're raising money for Lost River.
Hey guys, let's talk about pie your teacher in the face. First place is Advent team, Miss Carson, Mr. Goodman, Miss Jones, and Miss Davis. Second place is second grade, Miss Goodnight, Miss Shepherd, Miss Thomas, Miss Butler, and Miss Craner.
Third place is first grade. Miss Minhards, Miss Wander, Miss Martin, Miss Bowen, Miss Dial, and Miss Coffee.
Pie your teacher in the face.
Here's the word of the week. Respect. Give respect to get respect.
I show respect by not touching the wall. I show respect by not hitting my classmates. Ow!
I show respect by not pushing my classmates.
I show respect by being kind.
I like your outfit.
Oh, thanks, I guess.
I show respect by listening to my teachers.
Can you go to the office and ask for a janitor? There's been a water spill.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
I show respect by walking in the hallway correctly. I show respect by not hitting my classmates. Can you please scoot over?
Okay.
Respect by not pushing my classmates.
I show respect by saying thank you.
I like your outfit.
Oh, thank you.
I show respect by listening to my teacher.
Okay, next class, get in line at level 0.
We're focusing on math this week. Let's look at some words and find out what they mean.
Okay, class. Today we're going to be talking about product, quotient, sum, and difference.
The product is the answer to a multiplication problem.
The quotient is the answer to division.
The sum is the answer to addition.
The difference is the answer to a subtraction equation. Now,
Now,
class, you know.
Please stand for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
At this time, let's have 1 minute of silence.
Please repeat after me. I believe I am good. I believe I am smart. I believe in you and me. I'm a Lost River lion. Hear me roar. Have a great day, Lost River.